Let's review what Opera Cloud Mobile is and how it may help you. With this innovative tool, you can now manage task sheets from a phone or tablet, eliminating the need to print and distribute them manually to each room attendant. Thanks to the mobile application, any updates to room statuses are instantly reflected in Opera Cloud. This means you can update room statuses directly from a phone or tablet. As soon as a room is marked as clean or inspected, it becomes available for guests to check in immediately. You can also place rooms out of order or out of service and create and manage maintenance requests. For hotels offering purchasable items like minibar snacks, you can use Post-it to charge those items directly to the guest's account. Start by logging into Opera Cloud and opening the pop-out menu on the left side of the page. Then, click the link for Opera Cloud Mobile and either scan the QR code with the device you plan to use the application on, or click the link at the bottom of the window. Next, enter your username and password, then tap Sign In. This is the Ask Oracle page. In the top right corner, your user initials open a menu with key account settings. From this page, you will be able to access Task Companion, Room Maintenance, Room Status, Post-it, Arrivals, and Getting Started. At the bottom is the bell icon. This is where any notifications that are sent out to room attendants can be viewed. Let's start with Task Companion. Task Companion eliminates the need to generate and distribute task sheet reports by offering real-time, interactive housekeeping task management via mobile devices. Attendants can access reservation details, including housekeeping traces, post articles to reservations, set the Do Not Disturb status for rooms, and indicate when they are on a break. To view task sheets, tap Task Companion. Select the tasks. These cleaning tasks would be selected when the task sheets are created. The assigned task sheet will appear on the Select Task Sheet screen for the attendant. The task summary shows the number of rooms assigned, a breakdown of the rooms by status, and total credits. You can identify users as housekeeping supervisors, which allows you to assign the Access All Task assignments in Task Companion permission so they can view all task sheets. Room attendants, whom you do not designate as supervisors, can only view their task sheets. Tap anywhere in the task sheet summary box to view the rooms on the task sheet. At the top of the window is the coffee mug. Selecting the coffee mug will put the room attendant on break. If a supervisor views the attendant console in Opera Cloud, they can see when an attendant is on break. When the user finishes their break, they will tap the coffee mug again to return to working on their task sheet. The symbol for the current status for each room will appear next to the room number, and the cleaning code will appear below the room number. If the room is occupied or has an arriving reservation, it will show the number of guests. Icons for room discrepancies, reservation status, and back-to-back reservations will appear on the right side of the page. If an arrival or departure time has been entered on the reservation, it will appear next to the reservation status symbol. Opera Cloud will determine the order of the rooms on the task sheet based on certain factors. Rooms with an arriving reservation assigned will appear at the top of the list, followed by rooms marked as a priority, then checked out, vacant, stayovers, and due-outs. When attendants are ready to begin cleaning rooms, it is recommended to follow the order of rooms on the task sheet, but the system does not require room attendants to follow this specific order. If you need to put a room out of order or out of service, swipe the room to the right, and those options will appear. And when a room number is swiped to the left, the option to start cleaning the room will appear. Now, let's clean an occupied room. To begin cleaning a room, drag the room to the left and tap the Start option or tap on the room number. On this screen, several options can be selected before or during the cleaning process. Tap Traces to create, view, or update housekeeping traces for the reservations. Tap Reservation to view the information for the reservation associated with the room. Tap Post-it to post articles to a guest room. We will review Post-it later in the training. Tap Maintenance to create, view, or update maintenance requests for the room. We will explore maintenance requests later in the training as well. And tap Assistance if you need to send a message to your supervisor that assistance is required for the room. To begin cleaning the room, tap Start. At the top of the screen, you will see the cleaning service code, housekeeping credits for cleaning the room, if a linen change is required, and a timer tracking the room's cleaning time. Under Room Status, select the desired status button to update the room status. Depending on your hotel's available statuses, users can select clean, dirty, inspected, and pickup. Use the housekeeping status to mark the room as vacant or occupied. The closed door icon indicates occupied, and the open door icon indicates vacant. When discrepant rooms is active, updating the vacant or occupied status helps identify a skip or sleep discrepancy. A sleep discrepancy is when the front office shows the room as vacant, but housekeeping sees it is occupied. A skip discrepancy is when a reservation is checked into the room, so the front office shows it as occupied, but housekeeping sees the room is vacant. The number of guests should be updated if a room attendant sees that the number entered in Opera Cloud does not match the actual number of guests in the room. Changing the number of guests will create a person discrepancy. An icon for skip, sleep, and person discrepancies will appear in the top right corner of the window in red. These discrepancies will need to be evaluated further by staff. Tap Finish this room when cleaning has been completed. The attendant is now ready to move to the next room. When the task sheet is completed, tap the Oracle icon to return to the Ask Oracle page. Next, we'll look at room maintenance. Use the room maintenance function to create, assign, view, or resolve room maintenance requests. Maintenance requests can include things such as changing a light bulb, repairing a faulty lock, or fixing a leaky faucet. To create and manage room maintenance tickets, tap Room Maintenance. The room maintenance page will default to displaying maintenance requests assigned to the user. If no requests have been assigned, then the room maintenance page will display the message No items to display. To view unassigned or all requests, tap the My Request drop-down in the top right corner. From here, you can select either unassigned requests or all requests. Search by room number or tap filter to refine your search if needed. After selecting any desired filters, tap the Filter button. When a maintenance request is swiped to the right, the options for Manage and Delete will appear. And when a request is swiped to the left, the option to mark the request as resolved will appear. To update an existing request, swipe the request to the right and select Manage or tap on the request. Update any fields as necessary and attach pictures as well. Use the ellipses in the top right corner to mark the request as resolved. There is also the option to delete a request if needed. Tap Update to complete the changes. Now, let's walk through adding a new request. To create a new maintenance request, tap Add Request. Tap the magnifying glass for room number. Then select the room number and tap Select. Optionally, you can assign a user and enter an expected by date. Tap the magnifying glass for reason. The list of maintenance reasons will appear. Select the reason and tap Select. Add any notes in the Remarks field and use the Take Photo or Add from Gallery buttons to add a picture. When you're done filling out the request, tap Create to complete the new request. When you're done, tap the Oracle icon to return to the Ask Oracle page. Now, we'll look at how to use the Room Status function to update room statuses and how to put a room out of order or out of service. To update rooms, tap Room Status. From here, you can search for a specific room number or tap Filter, and use any filters to refine your search. Let's update a room. Tap on a room number. Use the Room Status buttons to update the room to clean, dirty, inspected, or pickup. The housekeeping status allows you to update the reservation status to either vacant or occupied. The closed door icon indicates occupied, and the open door icon indicates vacant. Don't forget, changing the housekeeping status will create a discrepancy in the system that must be resolved. A room can be marked as a priority by selecting the red flag under Housekeeping Service. When a room needs to be put out of order or out of service, select the corresponding icon under Set Room As. Let's put a room out of order. The date fields will populate with the current date. Update the From Date and Through Date with the desired date range for the out of order. Tap the magnifying glass for Reason and select the out of order reason. Then enter Remarks, select the return status, and add a photo if necessary. Tap Confirm to complete the out of order. Tap the Oracle icon to return to the Ask Oracle page. Next, we'll review the Post-it function. Post-it allows users to post articles to a guest folio, such as minibar items in a room. For users to be able to use Post-it, they must be assigned a cashier ID. Let's look at how to post articles to a room. Tap Post-it to begin. This screen will display all the available articles. Tap on the articles to charge to the guest folio. To add multiples of the same article, either tap the article the necessary number of times or adjust the quantity on the next page. Once the desired articles are selected, click View Cart. Review the selected articles on the Posting Review page. Use the plus or minus for an article to adjust the quantity. Tap the X to remove an article if needed. To select a guest, tap Post to Room. A list of available reservations to post to will appear. Use the search field at the top to search by guest name and room number. Tap on the reservation to post to. The reservation information will appear in the box showing the arrival date, departure date, membership number, and membership level. Tap Complete Sale to post the items to the selected room. Tap the Oracle icon to return to the Ask Oracle page. Next, we will look at the Arrivals. Arrivals displays a list of the current day's arriving reservations. Use the search field at the top to search by name or confirmation number, or tap the Filter button and use any of the available fields to filter your search. On the Arrivals page, you will be able to see reservation information, including the guest's name, icon for new or returning guests, number of nights, stay dates, and the room number with its current housekeeping status. When you are done looking through the Arrivals, tap the Oracle icon to return to the Ask Oracle page. And last, we will look at Getting Started. Getting Started highlights the system's new optimized look and the intuitive touch controls you can use. It also provides a key of the icons you will see when navigating through Opera Cloud Mobile. Opera Cloud Mobile can be saved to your device's home screen. This will eliminate the need to scan the QR code the next time you need to log in. For iOS users, tap the ellipses icon and select Share. Tap Options at the top and select Add to Home Screen. For Android users, click the ellipses icon and select Add to Home Screen. The next time you need to log in, you can use the new link on your home screen. To prepare your staff to use the Opera Cloud mobile app, create Opera Cloud users for them in identity management as needed. Ensure they have a device to use. And for hotels using Post-it, attach a cashier ID to their user in Opera Cloud. Without the cashier ID, they will not be able to post anything to a guest room. If you need more information on setting up users or attaching cashier IDs, see the User Management Job Aid. Scan the QR code to download the Opera Cloud Mobile Job Aid. It has a lot of great information on the items that were covered in this video. If you're not able to scan the QR code, the Job Aid is also available for download on Wyndham Assistant and Wyndham Community.